In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or remove the For You section in OneDrive. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll first need to ensure you're logged into your Microsoft account. If you aren't already signed in, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft account login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so make sure to provide the correct email and password associated with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you should look for the app launcher. It's usually represented by a grid icon located in the upper corner of your screen. By clicking on this icon, a menu with various Microsoft services and applications will appear. From this menu, scroll through and locate OneDrive, and click on it. OneDrive serves as Microsoft's cloud storage service, and it's where we'll be making the necessary adjustments today. With OneDrive open in your browser, shift your focus to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a gear icon representing settings. Give it a click to reveal the settings options available for your OneDrive account. Once the drop-down menu appears, search for the option labeled Options and select it. This will lead you to a new page filled with various settings that you can customize. On this Options page, start by locating and clicking on the Photos tab. This section includes settings related to how media files, especially photos, are managed within your OneDrive account. It's an essential part of customizing the way your OneDrive displays and handles content. Next, navigate to the For You section, which can be found under the Home category within your OneDrive options. The For You section is designed to provide personalized content and recommendations. However, if this feature doesn't serve your needs or preferences, you have the option to hide it. After locating the For You section, you should see an option labeled Hide for Now. Clicking on this will temporarily remove the For You section from your OneDrive interface. By doing so, you'll no longer see the personalized content and recommendations that this feature offers. And that's all there is to it. By following these few simple steps, you've successfully disabled or removed the For You section in OneDrive. Remember, if at any point you wish to bring back this feature, you can always reverse these steps and reinstate it via your settings. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing in OneDrive.